All I chicken race of them. Watch the style. You know, if you come at this for Cuba for months. You see it? One drum of feeding. Now if you come at this for Cuba. They have water. So the water system set people. You know, bungalow. None at all. So it look pretty. You see jump there. See water this. And chemical water mix up with the Levox and you know? Yeah man. See there? Chicken them and live lavish. Yeah man. That is it. People that can use that style. Run it that style too. Yeah man, you know if you run by a full cup every morning or that thing. That is it man.
You have now reached the end of Jamaica Planet.